Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Libra, let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright Libra, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, 8 of Cups in reverse. Somebody is thinking of returning. Queen of Cups, Ace of Swords, Page of Wands, Magician in reverse. Libra, center of my spread with the 10 of Swords. 6 of Swords, 2 of Wands and the Fool card. Bottom of my deck I have the King of Wands. Well, this is a action oriented king wanting to take action, very passionate. Maybe they want to return back to a Queen of Cups who they find very beautiful, very loving, very intuitive, very sexy. They want to come back and get some love from this Queen of Cups. They are looking for some clarity. Maybe they don't want to message or have some communication. But at the moment, they're not coming straight. This Magician is in reverse, which means thinking of underhand ways. I wonder why. Let's see. Libra, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of your reading. Libra and their person, spirit. Libra and their person, they could say something to each other now. What would that be? Libra and their person. Okay, thank you. Let's take a few from here, Libra. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person, thank you. And a few from here, Libra, and we are ready to go. Okay. So the first card here, Libra, says, you go to bed with someone else and your soul comes to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be making love to me. Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of this pain, fear and frustration, and then you'll see what I've seen in you all along. Your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. I'm involved with someone else and it wouldn't be fair to either of you to pursue our connection at this time. Now that's a trickster, isn't it? Maybe they just were trying to escape committing, or they always have, and they've always kept many options open. I'm so proud of you, my love. You inspire me to be a better person. I'm working on myself and I hope that I can inspire you too. Though I haven't always said it with words, there is love in the silence. Close your eyes and feel my presence. Be still and listen to me tell you that I love you. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. All right, Libra, if these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Popped out real quick. Faith. Somebody's lost faith in this connection, I feel. Yep. What is the need to, I don't know, let's see. Eight of Cups in reverse, Spirit. What's this Eight of Cups and the Queen of Cups? Eight of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Look at the Emperor in reverse, Magician in reverse. This is like a very stubborn person. Very, very stubborn person. As much as they want to come back, they are still being stubborn, not offering love, because they don't want to get off their high horse. They don't want to be embarrassed. They feel it's embarrassing if I have to go forward and offer something. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Even though they're so depressed, they're so sad, they're so depressed, they want to go back to this Queen of Cups, but they're staying in troubled waters even now because they don't want to acknowledge it. They don't want to acknowledge that they may have to actually do something. So what's this Ace of Swords, Spirit? Yes, so I think this is the other person who's saying, all right, so I know the truth about you, and yes, you are a magician in reverse. The other person, I think, is recognizing what this person is all about. So Libra, this magician in reverse could be you or could be your cross watcher, I don't know. But somebody is feeling that, yes, you are a magician in reverse. I have clarity with your behavior. And yes, I'm dropping you. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Somebody is feeling the brunt of it now, big time. They've taken some time out to understand why this Two of Cups is in reverse, why the soulmate connection has gone wrong. I think they do want to send a message or start communication, hoping that can we start a brand new chapter. The end goal, of course, is the Ten of Pentacles, but they are not showing it. They're still being a trickster. They're still not showing their hand as to why they want to communicate. Let's see why that is. So, Magician in reverse, Spirit. Magician in reverse. They don't have the courage to communicate in a healthy way because they don't want to be the loser. Oh my God, this is so clear. As much as somebody is waiting, wishing, hoping to communicate for things to start moving again, they are still being a little bit of a coward, I feel here, only because they don't want to lose the winning hand, or they don't want to appear weak, or they don't want to appear vulnerable, or feel like a loser. So what are they doing? Still being deceptive. Ten of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Ten of Swords in reverse. Yes. The longer they're staying in this indecision, the longer they're staying in indecision, the longer the chance for a re-beginning they're feeling, at least they're losing hope, right? So the longer they are not being able to decide what to do or which direction to go, they are feeling quite devastated, feeling all has ended, I have bad luck, they're blaming karma for it, blaming everything else, whereas the other person seems to be healing because they made a decision to maybe move off in a brand new direction. The other person, I think, has left this conflict behind, moving on to a happier, healthier space for themselves, while this person, the other person, the magician, is still standing here in limbo, waiting for I don't know what. Six of Swords, Spirit. Six of Swords. Yes, that's one person has turned their back now, saying, all right, I accept, this is ended, this is over, I'm over and out, I'm off, leaving this conflict behind, going off for a happier, calmer, peaceful life for myself. So, Two of Wands, Spirit. Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Unbelievable. I mean, this match has been coming up for Sagittarius. It's been coming up for now Libra. somebody is still not making a decision to go the correct direction. They see the potential in their person. They know that they are losing out on an empress. They know this is the person, queen above all queens. They will never find another person. But guess what? They are still choosing to be in their immature behavior as the Knight of Wands. Still showcasing themselves as somebody very immature, somebody who's just a player, a playboy who only wants sex or whatever, and they don't want to hang around for long. So guess what's going to happen, Libra? Whoever this Empress is very, very good for themselves, I would say. At the moment, they're taking care of themselves. This person knows their worth. They know I can look after myself. I'm a catch. I can get anyone I want. I'm the Empress. And if you can't make a decision, if you're always going to be in limbo like this of not making a decision, then hell, guess what? I'll make a decision for you. There was a card which said that as well, right? Your indecision is a decision and non-action is an action. Your actions, what was it? Your decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. So this Empress is not going to stand for any player kind of energy. This person knows their worth. They're just going to drop the ball and maybe head off for a brand new beginning. I don't know, somewhere else. Let's see what that is. Who's going off, Spirit, on this brand new journey? What's this new beginning? One more. I don't understand this person at all. I really don't understand this person. I think this is the same trickster who wants this fresh, brand new beginning. They do want it, but see how they're showing up. They're showing up as a liar, as a person who's very cold-hearted, who doesn't want shit, who's a cheat, who's sneaking around with other options maybe, not in putting in any investment into this connection. Yet, heart of hearts, all they want is, oh my God, please don't end this connection. I don't want to end this. I have so much passion for this Empress. I don't want this thing to end. I do want this brand new beginning with them, but showing themselves as a totally different person. So then what's going to happen, Spirit, if that's the case? Yes, heart of hearts, they want everything. They want the 10 of cups. They want things to work out. They want, but the problem here, Libra, is that whatever they want, they're not showing, and whatever they aren't, they are portraying, which is leading to this Empress becoming the Queen of Swords in reverse. This Queen of Swords doesn't trust them anymore. They're angry with them, they're bitter, about what is being shown to them, and this Queen of Swords may be the one who could be saying, it's over, I'm not going to give you a second chance. So this is a very complex reading, Libra. I mean, there is one person here who wants it all, but they are showing themselves as a totally different person. I don't know what they hope to achieve by that, but I can tell you that this Empress is not going to happily, accept this Magician in reverse back. Because what you see is what you believe, right? I mean, the card said it very clearly. Your indecisions and your actions are going to show me where this connection is going to go. And this kind of behavior, I don't think it's going anywhere. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.